Hey guys, so for those of you who have been struck by lightning, kicked out of a car, thrown out of an airplane, or developed rabies recently, you guys can use Herbi Speaks to communicate with, let's say, an attractive male doctor or your parents. The cool thing you can do with Herbi Speaks is that when you press the button, it says the name First Aid and Safety. Now, with the program I'm using right now, it won't allow you guys to hear what's being said, but it is saying First Aid and Safety. Another feature that's on this program is if you hover over the first aid kit, let's say Band-Aids, it shows you a picture of Band-Aids or tweezers or drugs. Maybe you'll need an ice pack after you fall out of the airplane. I don't know what rabies patients suffer. Maybe they have a high fever. I'm not sure. What's also cool about Herbi Speaks is that you can attach a sound clipping to the pictures. So, for example, with the ambulance, it says ambulance, and then the sound bite pop-up comes up, and you can hear the sound of an ambulance in the background. It's pretty neat.